exhibition match sounds like an easy game of football, Peter, and a picture-perfect occasion.
Now looking to orchestrate a counter. He's one on Mbappe! Big moment! Massive goal!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct...
He's shifting through the gears here.
Oh, that was expansive and...
Now the finish! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
I think he's done great there.
Gets his pass away. Now it's Bellingham.
Passing in little intricate triangles, trying to force a few of their opponents.
And the shot! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. Gently done. Oh, Bellingham! They are rampant! That's what they can do to you.
That's just brilliant counter-attacking football, and as soon as possession was theirs, it triggered a move of devastating speed that was just too hot to handle.